Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on stopping auto-capitalization on Google Docs. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. It can be very annoying if Google Docs keeps automatically capitalizing words that you don't want capitalized. Follow the steps to learn how to stop this from happening. In an open document, click Tools from the top menu bar. Then choose Preferences from the options. Click the checkbox to the left of Automatically Capitalize Words to uncheck the box. When there is no check in the checkbox, words will no longer be capitalized. Tap OK in the bottom right. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Google Docs tips and tricks.